Can't breathe.
So, we are celebrating Johan's birthday tonight. This will be the first time that we've hung out with people since quarantine. It's kind of gnarly. But Amanda's baking him an amazing cake, and we're testing it with these cake balls, and they're so freaking good. Johan, you're stoked up. Johan and Nick are gonna skate the ramp. We're gonna have a fire in the backyard. We're gonna pick up Indochine. We're gonna have curry. It's gonna be absolutely epic. All right, so we're debating what to write on Johan's birthday cake. And I'm claiming we put, Tony Lasagna, dude.
No, you can't even say that.
Tony Lasagna.
Stop.
Why?
God.
Should we just put yeep?
Is that lame?
Or just like, balls to you, Johan, yeep.
No.
It's lit.
Okay.
It's lit.
Okay, so
That has to be it.
like in like cake cursive or like in just like regular,
I guess cake cursive.
like all fancy.
Yeah. It's lit. Ew. Or like, ew, it's lit. Tony Lasagna on the side.
It just has to melt a little bit.
The method of softening. Soften. It is lit. Good job, baby. You guys, we got the driveway and the garage so clean right now. Check this out. Dude, I'm thinking the boys are gonna be so stoked on the mini ramp right now. We are definitely getting a sick skate session, and we're gonna get some freaking epic footage, dude. Happy birthday, Johan. I am so stoked this is happening. Sorry you couldn't go camping. A lot of stuff is closed right now, but it is on. Is this first drop-in of all time? Okay.
For like a year ago.
The pressure!
Beer? You asked for it.
Oh!
Dude, why didn't you do that?
I was trying to make something up, dude. Oh! You okay? Dude, are you sure? Yeah! Yeah! Dude, what?
Think about Ready?
Can't wait to eat the moon pie.
Speech.
Speak!
Very thankful to be in this Corona season with you guys.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
Very nice to randomly see you again, dude.
Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, it's been what, months? Year last time we were
Yes.
there.
Dude,
How cool was that?
yeah, it's been a
Except my
while.
part. But let's get it.
Wait, what? We gotta sing!
Oh my god!
Happy birthday.
Oh, what's
Try again, try again.
Okay,
Read
start
it.
over.
Does it have to go in order?
Yeah, you guys didn't start singing. I've been
That's
waiting.
true, you're like,
I've been waiting to get the song out of you.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johan. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, it's out of the sack,
Song I did.
Oh, I guess now it should be your speech, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now you blow out your candle, make a wish.
Okay, I'll make a wish and.
Thank you.
And then we eat cake. Okay.
Yeah!
Wait, we did it wrong again.
Oh, stop that. Let's just cut this moon pie.
We have to do the cake first, and then we'll do
Oh, you're
sheep.
drooling on me, dog. I like drink water and then come straight over to you and just like,
Actually, never took a picture of it.
it's lit! Johan's would be.
I think it's just.
Have you do it?
Oh. I forgot. Ah, tell me the strap. If I think about a strap, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I forget. I'll do it.
Are you gonna cut
You
it?
know,
I think of El Shroud.
no, he cut it. You did that.
It's actually, last night on the beach, there was this piece of like scrap metal, and I'm like, crap, it's shrapnel on the beach.
Yeah, Shroud.
Forget how to do it, dude.
You
I
make
did it in the water yesterday.
You literally make that face like every second, I feel like. And now you can't do it.
I know. The second you told me to do it, I can't. I forget. I do it.
It's like, or something. No, that's not it.
Dude, I like how it's like hard on top, so soft in the middle. It's a good combo. You're manhandling that cake.
What? No.
Now I've done it.
Dude, let's sit here, eat this cake in silence, hear each other chew.
You won't.